In a small town, people started sneezing uncontrollably. The local doctor, Dr. Sniffles, was baffled. "It's a mysterious disease," he declared as he sneezed himself. The townsfolk tried everything, wearing masks, eating garlic, even dancing in circles. Nothing worked. One day, a wise old man named Mr. Chuckles arrived. "Have you tried laughter?" he asked. The townspeople gathered, and Mr. Chuckles told the funniest joke ever. Everyone laughed so hard they forgot to sneeze. The mysterious disease vanished, leaving only giggles behind. Like, comment, and subscribe for more laughs.